Welcome to Daily Post India. This is Jasmine Chabra. Aya Sawan Jhoom Ke. Let's take swings, kicklies and mouth-watering malpuras in this monsoon season as Sawan month is here. The holiest month of the year, Sawan, begins today with devotees across the nation offering prayers to Lord Shiva on the month's first Monday. Mondays that fall during the Shravan month are considered very auspicious. Sawan begins from the first day of the full moon and ends in the third week of August. Devotees fast on the Mondays of the month to impress the Lord. It is known as Sawan month in North Indian states. People who follow Sawan Mondays observe 16 Mondays or 16 Somvar fasting from the first Monday of the Sawan month. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva is called Mahadev because he saved the universe by drinking poison that arose from the Samudra Manthan in Sawan. Guru Purnima on Sunday marked the beginning of the Sawan month on 2017. Today is the first Monday of the Sawan or Shravan month. The Shravan or Sawan month is the Hindu calendar is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Many people fast on Mondays during the time and these are called Shravan Somvar or Sawan Somvar Vrats. Samudra Manthan is an occasion when gods and demons churn the ocean of milk for Amrit. A gem was produced from the churning was poison, which could have destroyed the entire universe. Therefore, Shiva drank the poison to save the living beings. The Sawan month and Sawan Mondays from the July 10 will be observed in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Bihar. It will end on August 7, 2017. For the people in Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Sawan Somvar Vrat will start from July 24 and end on August 21. People who follow Shravan month have their own belief to observe the fast. Some fast for long life, happy married life or happiness of their children. It is believed that fasting during Sawan and worshipping God Shiva helps with the wealth, luxury and increase in generation. According to the Hindu calendar, Shravan is an auspicious month host to many festivals. In northern part of the country, the month of Shravan is called Sawan, literally monsoons, and it does coincide with the season. During the monsoons, a superbly indulgent dessert is made in the region. It is two preparations served together, malpura, which is sweet pancake, and kheer, which is Indian rice pudding. Even scientifically, fasting during Sawan month is considered healthy. Apparently, medical practitioners stated when people fasting during Shravan, it rains and sunlight is scarce, it slows down the digestive system. Hence, it is good to eat food that is easily digestible. Therefore, a majority of the Hindus follow a strict vegetarian diet during Shravan month. Hindu women who are married wear red attire and green bangles and pray for their long and healthy life for their husbands. Meanwhile, the Kanwad Yatra 2017 also begins during the Sawan month. The Yatra commences on Mahashivratri, which will this year be observed on July 21. Thank you for watching, and for more updates you can follow our Facebook page Daily Post India and our website www.dailypost.in, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.